Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you solve your math problems with this plugin on ChatGPT 4. So keep in mind guys that you have to be subscribed on ChatGPT Plus in order for this to work. So as you can see, you have to click on GPT-4. Over here you just have to enable Wolfram. So to have this plugin, go over to plugin store and you just have to go on over and search for Wolfram and just install this one. Once they're done with that, enable this here, and then you can then now go over and use this plugin. So keep in mind, guys, that you need to have under the beta features on settings, you need to have the plugins enabled, and you need to have it here, plugins enabled as well. So all you have to do is type in what you want to solve for this plugin. So for example, this one. So let's see if that worked. So you just have to wait for this to finish, guys. So as you can see, it is now going over and got over and gap the function, and also it uh, shows you here the code here. So there guys, that is actually how you can use this plugin, and you can explore this plugin to use it on your own. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.